What up, tasers? In this video, I would just like to share to you that I received my Google AdSense. It's been a long time coming, guys. And so in this video, I would just like to share to you how I got this and the processes that I did and the steps and stuff like that. Not in detail, but in just my own way on saying it. Parang nagkikwento lang ba? So without further ado, let's do this. Roll intro. Mabuhay Tasers! Welcome to TASE, or also known as the Art of Sir Eden. If you are new to this channel and you're kind of interested in those kind of contents, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so to get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And to my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I wouldn't be here without you guys, and I wouldn't be receiving this without you guys. So thank you so much. And of course, I would like to ask you also to please like and follow my page on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, I would just like to also announce that the Art of Sir Eden, or TASE, is already in TikTok. Although I just uploaded one video for now, but expect more in the coming months. Alright, enough talk, let's get down to business. I'm really happy about this. It's very fulfilling for me. I think this is my very first step. I've been working on my YouTube channel for around 3 years, and my YouTube channel is already existed around 2012. I became active around 2017. Basically, I've been making contents for around 3 years actively. My very first real content that I made was around 6 years ago, and that was the customized S Pen for Samsung Note series. And it has 7.2k views. That was my very first overhead shot with a voiceover in the video. And if you want to check it out, you can check it out on the card up there. Currently, I have 60 videos on my YouTube channel, but the video that I'm proud of is the Asus Vivo Book Flip 14-inch. Is it good for drawing thing? Because I have 157k views. The big part of that video is the one that helped me to achieve the requirements of this. So as we all know, we need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And this video is the main key for me to achieve the 4,000 hours requirement of the YouTube channel, or YouTube rather. And to all of you who are watching or who watch this video, I would like to thank you guys. And I'm sorry if I'm not being able to answer most of your questions, because currently I do not have this laptop already. Basically, it's a combination of passion, determination, and hard work. Consistency is the key, because you need to be consistent in order for you to be able to achieve that 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, because there's a certain span of time that YouTube is allowing you to achieve this. It is really hard for a small content creator to achieve that, to be honest. You just really need to find a way to do it. In my case, kasi I think I got lucky because I have that video, and so as the other videos that I made were really a hit in my niche. And that's the reason why I continued working on the reviews, tech reviews, or software reviews and stuff like that, because I got comfortable doing that. And that is where my channel is being recognized, if you know what I mean. And yun nga, so I'll be talking about how I got this. I applied my channel for Google Adsense around April. There's a lot of tutorial here in YouTube na nagtuturo on how to do or fill up all those forms for you to be guided, especially here in the Philippines. I'll just leave the link below kung saan ko man nakita yung channel na yun, o kung ano mong channel yung nakatulong sa akin filling up this one. And of course, I was able to be guided by my friend as well. I would like to shout out to Karla for helping me achieve this. And she's been helping me a lot get through to this process ever since nung na-achieve ko yung 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours. I've been constantly talking to her, and she's been mentoring me on how to do it. I'm really grateful for that. Subscribe kayo sa channel niya, syempre. Going back, I applied around April, and sabi doon is I need to wait around 3 weeks. However, hindi siya dumating within 3 weeks, and that's kind of sad. I had to apply again. I asked Karla, apply again every time, every 3 weeks, so that ma-refresh or they can resend the mail to you. And I'm getting worried because 3 months have passed, but I haven't received my PIN. And so there's also this rule from AdSense that after 3 months of unable to encode your PIN to your AdSense, your monetization will stop. And apparently that happened, which is kind of frustrating for me because I haven't received my PIN. And I was kind of, having the hype of being monetized as a YouTuber, a small YouTuber definitely. But still, it's something to be inspired of because you've been working for this so hard for many years. And the most sad day came. The monetization stopped on my channel. But I was thinking, what did I did wrong? Did I input a wrong address? Did I put a wrong information in those things that I had to fill up on my AdSense? Karla was kind enough to tell me that most of the time these things happen, and she suggested to me that maybe you can use a different address. And I was about to do that, but my wife told me that maybe your mail is already in the local post office. So I asked her could you please go to the local post office to check out if there's this mail I have from Google Adsense. And she told me, sure, just give me an authorization letter so that I can legally take the mail in your absence. No? So I did write the authorization letter. I even let her bring my ID rather. And to my surprise, when she got home, it's here. And I'm really happy, really happy. And my wife is such an angel for me. And then after that, I encoded the PIN and stuff like that. But however, I have this worry that why is my ad is not showing up on my videos? I already activated all of it. I already refreshed it. I already done everything that I could see in the YouTube space on how to solve this missing ad on monetized channel. I was getting a little bit more frustrated because I'm too excited to see my ads getting back again because I already put up my PIN on my AdSense. But apparently on that day, I haven't seen a single ad on my video, which is kind of sad. But on the next day, that is when my ads are getting back slowly. In every video, there's one ad in the morning. I kept asking my buddy Adrian to check out my videos if there's an ads showing up, and he told me that I've watched one of your videos, the 14-minute video that you have. I've seen 4 ads showing up on that video, and I was so happy, And as of now, yeah, the ads are kicking, and my revenue is also kicking. But do not expect large income with your YouTube channel, especially when you're this small, because it's not really that a big deal or income for. So dun sa mga Pinoy na titingin na I would like to be a YouTuber kasi malaki yung sahod doon. You have to work hard for it, and that is the main reason why Kong TV, Mayor TV, Rant Udensyal, and the other sikat na YouTubers are having great income because they already worked hard on their channel. That is our goal. But of course, in order for you to achieve this, you have to enjoy your journey. Kaya nga sinabi nila, wag mo ikumpara yung channel mo sa iba. Do not compare your channel to other channels because you have a different journey. Same goes sa ating mga kanya-kanyang buhay, di ba? So yun lang, no, I'm very happy to announce to you guys, especially tasers, that this channel is already monetized. And I would really appreciate it if you could not skip a few ads on this on my videos para lang magkaroon tayo ng konting kita. And of course, for those people who are watching my videos, I would really appreciate it if you like it, so that the algorithm of YouTube will detect that my videos are being liked. So mas marami siyang magpa-pop up, mas madalas siyang magpa-pop up on the search engine, you know what I'm talking about. So especially dun sa mga review videos ko, please like those, comment on my videos. I would really appreciate it. Just to share to you guys, I kept saying this to Janil. Shout out to Sir Janil, my fellow or my brother in dreams of achieving or getting a Fujifilm camera. No? I'll be using kung ano man yung kikitain ko sa YouTube na to para madagdag sa pambili ko ng Fujifilm. So please, please. Yun lang guys. Again, this is the Art of Sir Eden. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for listening to me babbling about anything that I want. This is TASE Vlogs, and Kuya Sir is signing out.